Hello, are you a new student? Hello, are you a new student?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Today is my first day. Today is my first day.
Well, welcome. Well, welcome. My name is Tony. My name is Tony.
Hi, Tony. I'm Beth. Hi, Tony. I'm Beth.
Are you new in town? Are you new in town?
Yes, I'm from New York. Yes, I'm from New York.
Wow, the big city. Wow, the big city. Well, I hope you like our small town. Well, I hope you like our small town.
Are you from around here? Are you from around here?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Born and raised here. Born and raised here.
That is so cool. That is so cool. Well, it is nice to meet you. Well, it is nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. Hey, Beth, how is your first day? Hey, Beth, how is your first day?
It is really good. It is really good. This school is great. This school is great.
How are your classes? How are your classes?
They are fun. They are fun. My teachers are so nice. My teachers are so nice.
Who are your teachers? Who are your teachers?
My English teacher is Mr. Wong. My English teacher is Mr. Wong.
Oh, he is really nice. Oh, he is really nice.
Yes, he is. Yes, he is. My Spanish teacher is Mrs. Garcia. My Spanish teacher is Mrs. Garcia.
Oh, she is really nice too. Oh, she is really nice too.
Yes, her class is a lot of fun. Yes, her class is a lot of fun.
What is your favorite class? What is your favorite class?
Spanish. I love it. Spanish. I love it. My Spanish is not very good, though. My Spanish is not very good, though. I am just a beginner. I am just a beginner.
Well, Spanish is my first language. Well, Spanish is my first language. My name is Tony, short for Antonio. My name is Tony, short for Antonio.
Really? That is so cool. Really? That is so cool.
Yeah, my dad is from Mexico and my mom is from Costa Rica. Yeah, my dad is from Mexico and my mom is from Costa Rica.
Wow, you are so lucky. Wow, you are so lucky.
Yeah, Spanish is easy for me, so I can help you if you like. Yeah, Spanish is easy for me, so I can help you if you like.
I'd like that. Thank you. I'd like that. Thank you. Tony, where is the computer lab? Tony, where is the computer lab?
It's just down the hall. It's just down the hall.
My Spanish class is there tomorrow. My Spanish class is there tomorrow.
Oh, when is the class? Oh, when is the class?
It's at 6, after school. It's at 6, after school.
Why isn't the class online? Why isn't the class online?
It is, but I'm still new in town, so I don't have internet at home yet. It is, but I'm still new in town, so I don't have internet at home yet.
Oh, I see. Oh, I see. Well, good luck with the class. Well, good luck with the class.
Thanks. I'm excited for it. Thanks. I'm excited for it. I think online classes are fun. I think online classes are fun.
I think so too. I think so too.
Are you hot? Are you hot?
Yes, I am very hot. Yes, I am very hot.
Is the air conditioning on? Is the air conditioning on?
No, it is off. No, it is off.
Can I turn it on? Can I turn it on?
Yes, please do. Yes, please do. And can you turn on the radio too? And can you turn on the radio too?
Of course. Of course. Is jazz music all right? Is jazz music all right?
Yes, I love jazz music. Yes, I love jazz music.